Hello and good afternoon. My name is Ethan Walker, and today we're going to be doing the interview for lesson one. And this is going to be three programs for review from last semester. So we're going to be doing three things. The first program that we're going to be making is a program that's going to start at the sum of 0, and it's going to loop. We're going to start a loop that starts at 10. And it's going to add only even numbers, increasing it by 2 until it stops at 100. And then after each number is added up to the sum, then the final sum is going to be printed. So we can start that. Already renamed it. So we're going to do public class 201 public static. Alright, and now this one we're going to start. We're going to int sum is going to equal 0. Now we're going to do 4 int equals 10, and instead of plus plus, we're going to be doing plus equal to. This way it only goes up by 2 and it stops at 100. Now we have sum plus equal no. So now this allows us to adds the past number so we can print it all out together. And not last but not least, we're going to print out the sum, and now we should be able to run this, and here we go, and here's the number it printed out for us. Alright, now we can move on to the second part, and this second one here is we're going to write a program that is allowing us to get the user scanner to get the input of the user. And we're going to get the name first, and then it's going to store that as a string. And then the second part is we're asking for the user for their age, and we're going to store that as an integer. And then it's going to print both of those values. So first we're going to have to import the scanner so we can actually get the user input. Now we're going to use the public class for this part section as well, and now we're going to have the scanner input, new scanner in. Alright, now we're going to do system and that out that print element, and instead we are going to have ask the user to please enter your name. Alright. And there we go. And we're going to have print out the name out for next line. Now it's going to ask for your age, and we're going to have store as an integer. Alright. So last thing we have to do is we're going to say here is, now we're going to print out the name. So name is this, and we're going to do the same thing for the age. So now we're going to run this as well. Alright, so my name is Ethan, and my age, I am 21 years old. So here we go, it has my name is Ethan, and age is 21. Alright, so that's that for the second module. So now for the last one, this one is a mix of the last one. We're going to create a program that's going to use a while loop, and the user is going to enter their name, but if they type in -1, we're going to use a break statement to stop the loop, and otherwise the program is going to ask them for their age, and it's going to print the name and age, and then the next line will clear the input after we enter those numbers. So first things first, we're going to start the same thing. We're going to put the scanner, and we're going to do public class '21, '23, and we have that new scanner in. Alright, and now we're going to start with the while loop. So while true. So while true, we're going to have system out.print enter. I have enter your name or -1. -1 to quit, to exit. Exit or quit, that's fine. Next thing we're going to do is put that to the next line. Say if the input equals -1, we're going to now break it. Alright, now that's that first section. If not, we're going to ask them instead of that, ask them enter your age. There we go. It's going to be next line. And now we're going to have that print name plus inputs and plus age. Alright. Now lastly we're going to say system, and there you go. So now we're going to run it. Alright. So first thing, put my name is Ethan, okay, 21. Alright, and it loops back. So now we're going to do -1, and it has goodbye. Alright, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.